Welcome students, welcome to Masters Bloomingdale Academy. So today we are going to discuss about the structure of retina. What is the structure of retina? So as we have discussed in the previous video that retina acts as a screen. It acts as a screen on which the image is formed. After the light passing through the eye lens, so this is the structure of eye, so this is the lens here. So when the light passes through the lens, the image will be formed on the retina. So in detail we will discuss about what is retina made up of. In short, we can say that retina is made up of cells. These cells are in nearly 125 million cells are present in this retina. So this retina is present just beside the optic nerve. So what is the function of these cells present inside the retina? So these cells are of two types. You are having cones and rods. So basically these are photoreceptor cells. That means the function of these cells is to receive the light signals or light rays, and they have to transfer these light rays into signals, into neuro signals, so that this optic nerve, it take these signals to the brain, and brain finally will decide whether it is a tree, ball, house, or any object which you are seeing. So this is the function of the rods and cones present inside the retina. So actually what is the individual function of cones? So cones, it responds to illumination. The main function of the cone is that it will illuminate the object. How much illumination is there? Illumination means brightness. So this is the function of the cone. Similarly, rods is responsible for the intensity of light. So basically this is the function of the rods and cones present inside the retina. So as I said, this retina is just beside the optic nerve. So what is the benefit of being present near the optic nerve? So as soon as the light passes through the lens, the image is formed which is inverted. So this signal will be transferred to the optic nerve. So optic nerve, there are many number of nerves present in the optic nerve. So finally it will send the signal to the brain. So the brain will decide what is the object. So retina does not have any power to decide that whether it is a tree, ball, or a house. So it acts as a messenger. So it sends the message to the optic nerve. Optic nerve finally it sends to the brain, and finally the brain will visualize the data. It will process the data, everything, and finally it will say that whether the object is tree, ball, or any other thing. So this happens in milliseconds. All this process happens in milliseconds. If the process is not taking in milliseconds, what happens? Every object will be inverted. For example, we are seeing the tree or any object, Actually, it is inverted on the retina. If the processing is not done in milliseconds, everything will be inverted. So even you will be seeing me as inverted position. So this process takes place in within milliseconds. So this is the explanation of structure of retina. I hope that you are able to understand this topic.